Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Status Audio Between Pros. Now, you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for these, $150. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now, these are the world's first earbuds that feature a triple driver system. They're Bluetooth 5.2. The codecs is SBC, AAC, and aptX. Now, they're IPX5 sweat and water resistant. You got a hybrid triple driver system. So you got one 10mm dynamic driver and two balanced armature drivers. Triple driver system. Now you got 4 mics. That's going to give you crystal clear phone calls. The battery life on these is 12 hours on a single charge with an additional 38 hours using a charging case. So that's a total of 48 hours. Now these charge via USB Type-C. All right, so all of that for $150. What's missing? There's no active noise cancellation, no transparency mode, and no app to control your settings. All right, so let's unbox it and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, Status Between Pros. Now, if you're on Instagram all the time, you've probably seen the ad for these. These might be the #1 requested earbuds that I've been getting the last couple of months. So let's get in and see if they live up to the hype. Okay, let's unbox it. Got the John Wick Microtech. Here we go. Right. Okay. Nice, clean, white box. Y'all know I like that. Giggity. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Do we see anything on here? Nope. Okay, let's slide these out. Okay. Little sleeve right there. Okay, Status Between Pro. Okay. Okay, inside the box. Let's see, you got your usual books and shit. Let's see, this looks like a little thank you card. Okay, file that to the side. Some more pamphlets. Now, one more side note. These are the newer versions. Okay, for 2023, you're going to get a different case. Now, if you've seen the Status Audio Between Buds before, had a little smaller case. Actually, a bigger case. But a lot of people was complaining that it was hard to take the earbuds out of the case. So let's see. Okay, so this is one earbud. We'll figure this out. Let's see. Okay, these look like they're going to go down like that. Okay, here's your next earbud. Drop them in the case just like that. Boom. Okay, let's see what else you get. Okay, so you got a bunch of different size ear tips. Okay, small, medium, and large. Okay, this is going to be USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Okay, Shoes trying to get in the box. Let me go ahead and file these in my pocket. All right. Okay, so these are going to be your earbuds. Now, like I said, these are the 2023 versions. So the case is supposed to be a little bit smaller than the original case. And they should be easier to take out of the case. No issues taking them out of the case. All right, so then these have a unique look to them. Kind of squarish. Okay, let's see the insides. Shoes. Okay, triple driver earbuds. Okay, let's drop them back in the case. Okay, so you just put them face down like this in the case, and here it is. All right, so let me pause the video. I'll grab a phone, pair these up, and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First, let's take a look at the actual charging case. Plastic material, nice and lightweight. On the back, USB Type-C charging slot. Here's your Bluetooth pairing button. On the front, you got 3 LEDs. Open them up, and here's how it looks. Now let's check the magnet strength. Let's start with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Intermediate shakage. No movement. Maximum shakage. No movement at all. Excellent strength. All right, so now let's take a look at the actual earbuds. Again, a very unique looking design. Silver and gray. You got a button on the top of each one, along with an LED light. There's your pins on the bottom. Okay. Right and left branding on each one. Nice and lightweight. All right, so I'm going to put these in my ears, and then we'll talk about the look, the fit, and the feel. All right. Okay. Now, I will say this. It's a nice, comfortable fit. Let me do the head shake test. I'll start with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Intermediate shakage. No movement. And maximum shakage. Okay, no movement at all. Very comfortable. Here's how they're going to look in your ears. Again, I got to say it one more time. A very unique looking earbud. All right, so let's see how they sound. All right, so for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open up the earbuds and take them out of the case, they'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Between Pros. Now, one more side note. Most earbuds have a voice prompt. So do these. But on these, the voice prompt is a male voice. So they kind of caught me off guard. Kind of sounds like James Bond. I like that. All right, so now let's do a little sound test and see if these live up to the hype. I got a classic song queued up. We got DJ Khaled featuring Drake for free. I'm going to start off at maximum volume, and I promise y'all I'm not going to sing because I really want to hear these. All right, Birdman hands rubbing together. One tap on the button for play and pause. Let's get it on. Okay, here we go. Now, you do have some nice noise isolation. Okay, so far the volume is super loud. Let me wait for that bass drop. Okay. Woo! Okay. I must have had the superpowers last 223,000 hours. And it's because I'm off of CC. And I'm off the Hennessy. It's like your boy from Compton say, yo, these sound incredible. Girls that I should have made wait for it. I got girls that I should have made wait for it. I got girls that I canceled the flight back home. Stay another day for you got attitude on 99 and your see on agua and your stomach on flat and your ass on what's that? Yeah, I need it all right now. Yo, these sound incredible. What we're talking about. You the only one that know can fit it all. I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me, yo? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Woo, that bass! Is it just me? Is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? I know you working day and night to get a college degree. Yo, hold up. Whew. Woo! Okay, let me take these out of my ears for a second. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, now look, I am not a hype beast. Okay, I know it may seem like I am, but I am not a hype beast, especially when it comes to product that people overhype. I always want to kind of be the one to be like, nah, they overhyping it. Like, you know, when I do my videos, I try to give y'all the truth. So when people overhype shit, you come to my channel to find out, is it really worth the hype? Now, if you go to Instagram and go to Status's Instagram page, you're going to see they flood Instagram with a lot of ads. I read through a lot of the comments. Some people saying these sound incredible. Some people saying they don't. Some people say these blowing the Sennheisers out the water. Some people saying they sound like trash. This is why you got to test shit out yourself. And fellas, all right, ladies, fellas, these are the truth. Okay, these are the truth. Now look, triple driver earbuds. Okay, I don't really buy into all of the hype with the tech specs and all of that. I like to see how stuff sounds in the real world. And let me tell you, bro, the bass dropped so hard on these. All right, let me find another bass drop song. Let me come through with Nip. We got to come through with Nipsey Hussle. Hold up. Okay, we got Nipsey Hussle, Blue Laces 2. Let's kind of rock these. Hold up, let me see how this sounds. The volume is super loud. Okay, hold up. Let me put my seatbelt on. Whoa! Let's go, Shoes! Whoa! Bogalin, they know that. Yeah, hold up. I don't know if y'all can hear this. I put it right by the bike. Woo! Okay. Again. I gotta be honest. I know, my bad, Shoes, my bad. I gotta be honest. No active noise cancellation, no transparency mode, no app. I was kind of thinking I was going to have to roast these for $150 and maybe recommend the Liberty Pro 4s, the anchor joints. But fellas, if you don't care about active noise cancellation, which you're not going to need because these are super loud, you don't care about transparency mode, you don't care about having an app, control the EQ settings, these might be the ones for you. If you just want that pure sound, bass, thumping, volume, extra loud. All right, I got to pause the video and calm down because my blood pressure just went up about 20%. These sound incredible. Let's do some more testing. All right, so now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? Okay, so let's drop them in, close them up, wait for it to fully disconnect. Okay, there it is. All right, here we go. Let's take these out the case. 1 Mississippi, 2, okay, I was just about to say 2 Mississippi, and they already connected. That's pretty good. All right, so now let's do the 1 earbud test. Can you play music from 1 earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's hit play. Okay, so the music is playing. So I'm going to take out the left side, drop it in the case, fully close it up. The right side is still playing. Okay, so let's take the left side back out, drop it in. Let's wait for it to reconnect. Okay, it just connected. Now I'm going to take out the right side, drop this in. The left side is still playing. So this is pretty dope. You can use either earbud independently, basically doubling your battery life. All right, so now let's check the touch controls, and keep in mind each earbud has a physical button, which is multifunctional. Okay, so I'm going to slap these back in. Okay, single tap on the right earbud for play and pause. Okay, you see it's playing? Press it again, and it paused. Okay, so let's play the music. Now I'm going to double tap on the right earbud. That's volume up. Double tap on the left earbud. That's volume down. Long press on the right earbud. That's skip to the next song. Long press on the left earbud. Okay, that goes to the previous track. And triple tap on the right earbud for voice assistant. What's the weather for today? Okay, so all of the touch controls work. And one more side note. I love the physical button like that. Guaranteed presses. All right, so now let's check for latency. And what I mean by that is when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now I'm wearing 1 earbud. Let's hit play. I put another one right by the mic.
Why'd you change from chillin'? What was wrong with chillin'? Gotta get another one?
No lip sync delay at all. So these will be perfect for watching your videos. All right, so now let's check the call quality. Okay, I'm calling up Amaya. Between Pro. Let's see if Amaya's going to answer. Let's get max volume. Hi, girlie. What's up? What you doing? Okay, for being a fat ass as usual. Okay, let me ask you a question. You on the phone or you on AirPods? Okay, how does my voice sound? It sounds clear? Sounds strong? All right, hold on a second. Let me probably the bookstore fan. Let me know if you hear any wind noises. You hear any? A little bit? What about now? Yeah, this is maximum windage. Okay, you can hear a lot of wind. Okay, so these ain't the best for the wind noise reduction. Okay, but as far as the voice quality, how do I sound? Okay, now, okay, negative for the win, but like this is fine. Okay. By the way, I seen your Instagram story with your leather pants, looking like you getting ready to perform at the BET Awards. I seen you. Get yours, girl. Get yours. All right. Anyway, all right. Let me get back to my video. All right, but how would you rank these on a scale of 1 to 10 for sound quality for talking on the phone? Give me an honest number. Yeah, 8.5. All right, win quality 7, talking on the phone 8.5. Okay, the expert opinion. I appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna text you in a minute. All right, bye. Okay, so these passed the Amaya test, okay, because Amaya is the person that I talk to the most on the phone, so she knows how my voice sounds on 100 different earbuds. She said these are about an 8.5. She could definitely talk to me on the phone with these. Her voice sounded crystal clear to me. I sounded crystal clear and strong. Okay, I like that little. That's a nice adjective to use for a dad voice. But anyway, as far as the wind noise, she did hear a little bit of windage. Okay, so I would say these are a go for talking on the phone. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the status between pros a major go. Are these worth $150? And the answer is yes. The sound quality is going to blow you away. Extra loud volume, crispy highs and mids, and that bass is pounding. Now look, I'm a skeptic. When companies say, oh, the world's first triple driver earbuds or the world's first this, world's first that, I never really believe it. I got to put it to the test for myself. And ladies and gentlemen, I am a believer. Okay? These sound incredible. You got 12-hour battery life. Okay? IPX5 sweat and water resistance. Crystal clear phone calls. These are a major go. Now, if I got to gripe about a few things, I will say the look, right, this square shape is not my favorite. Okay? I wish they had active noise cancellation because I fly a lot. Okay? So I'm always sitting by the airplane wings. I drive a loud-ass car. Okay? So active noise cancellation is kind of important to me. And I wish they had an app to control the EQ settings. But as is, okay, as is for $150, these are worth every penny. Okay, so status audio, if y'all happen to come across this video one day, and you're going to break out the status between Pros 2, this is what we need. Maybe redesign the shape, okay, maybe try to make them a little bit more round, okay, the square shape is, I don't know, hit me up in the comments, let me know how y'all feel about this shape, not my favorite. Bring out active noise cancellation for the next version and an app support with an EQ to tweak this bass down a little bit because some people ain't going to like this extra heavy pounding bass. But if you're a bass head like me, you're going to like it. You're going to like it. Again, for $150, I'm stamping these down with the Floss seal of approval. Anyway, status between pros. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, run the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.